So, amo nang kuhaon no ang yang mask kay hurot naman ang tambal o kuan ang ba na mag-aso. So, kuhaon na nato ang mask. So, ang bot pasabot ani murag nahumok na yang klima dire sa sud. So, the next stage or the next step is the suction process. Now we will be using the suction machine.
Will be done by Concesa.
And the expert of this process, of course, no other than Conceta. Bio pala, Bio. This is the suction machine. This is the suction machine. And and Luisa will assist and will hold the mouth guard. This is the mouth guard. This is ari dili ipasok ang tube pagkuha sa plima ni mama. And we have to use gloves. Gloves. To
preparing
hygiene. For hygiene purposes.
For suction.